Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today I just want to talk a little bit about simple water-fed pull technique. We have gone over this before, but I feel like it's always a really good thing to review for anybody. So here we basically have casement windows and casement windows that have oxidation coming off of the frames. So what I do first is I go through and give that surrounding frame a good scrub. I'm not going on the whole entire frame as you see here. It's pretty much that 1/2 inch to 1 inch that is surrounding the actual window. If these frames were really dirty, I would attack the frames a lot more and get a really good scrub. That's one of the nice things about having water-fed pull, is to be able to clean the frames at the same time as you clean the windows. So I'm going through about, I think, 7 windows here and cleaning all the frames first. This is all on the same side of a home before I really go after the glass. And you can see the rinse on these frames is pretty quick. I may hit the middle of the glass a little bit, but not too much. Next, what I like to do for residential is use a Y attachment. A walnut pad holder is nice. This is the zero contact scrubber. There's also just a walnut pad holder that is fixed that can work out really well too. But I would suggest this step for residential windows if they're really dirty. This can really help get some of that extra bug stuff off, or spots that won't come off with the brush. And I like this scrubber because it really gets up into the corners nicely and is flush on the glass. Next, I just go through, basically scrub the window side to side, up and down. Side to side is really good to get good agitation at another direction as well. Make sure to do that, especially on the top and the sides. I don't always do it, but it's a good thing to remember. And then when you're rinsing, you just want to give a really good thorough rinse. This is almost the most important part when you don't want any spotting happening when using a water-fed pull. Rinse all the way down the glass, just like you would squeegee solution all the way down the glass. It's a really good way to think about it, is to think of the actual brush as your sleeve or mop agitating the window, and then your squeegee is basically your water, removing everything from the window. If you don't squeegee off everything, you don't remove everything. If you don't rinse off everything, you will get spotting. So that's a good thing to remember. So I like to use the rinse bar. I also like to use a high flow system when running water-fed pull. But I hope this helps you in learning some water-fed pull technique for getting you started, or if you've already been going. Have a good day. Bye-bye.